sleeping? We're going to Target, Ella. You okay? You good? Okay, now she's like nothing happened. We're at Target. What the heck? Yeah, she's a full strap. Yeah, these are so cute. Really, I like the white. Yeah, that's true. Grace got this last week for Ella's tour. He's so cute for decor. But I really don't need to buy more things. So it's just like not necessary. This is pretty. I think
getting new armchairs.
It's so pretty.
Easily tuck away.
I think this is new. It looks so good. I would love this. Ella, it's okay.
Ella, baby. 할아버지 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
얘는 어른아?
Oh, thank you so much.
Use your words, Ella.
No tantrums, Ella. Okay.
Yes, that's a seahorse.
It's a seahorse.
One more. Same.
Usually very, very sour.
Yeah,
Probably because I have cantaloupe. I feed her?
삼촌이 우와 진짜 너무 잘해주네 나.
When she's done eating. No, stop.
우와. Wow, Hunter, you're so strong. Good morning, everyone. I need to start making coffee. So I recently just bought new coffee things. I'm so sick of the Keurig. We only use this for emergency now, like when we really need the coffee fast. But I bought this on Amazon because it had really good ratings and I was also on a budget. So I will link that down below. It's really nice actually. And I'm gonna be making Pete's coffee. I got this at Target. I believe it's a Hearth and Hand. Also using the Hario filters, so I'll link that down below as well. I think these are really good filters. This is the one that Kevin uses. I learned this on YouTube, but I heard you have to excavate. You have to mix it around with a spoon. finished my coffee, so I'm gonna get some cleaning and laundry done.
스타일이 그렇죠. 갖고 우리 동네에 사는
누가 빠르고 잘한다는 건 아닐까?
업무가